Hello. Astronomy picture of the day, February 21, 2024. Today's video is about Seagull Nebula over Pinnacles Peak. The bird is bigger than the peak. Nicknamed for its avian shape, the Seagull Nebula is an emission nebula on the night sky that is vast, spanning an angle over 5 times the diameter of the full moon and over 200 light-years. The head of the nebula is catalogued as IC 2177, and the star cluster under its right wing is catalogued as NGC 2343. Consisting of mostly red glowing hydrogen gas, the Seagull Nebula incorporates some dust lanes and is forming stars. The peak over which this seagull seems to soar occurs at Pinnacles National Park in California, USA. The featured image is a composite of long exposure images of the background sky and short exposure images of the foreground, all taken consecutively with the same camera and from the same location. Explore your universe, random APOD Generator. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.